Hello guys, welcome back to my with Fadila. I am from the Faculty of Education, Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program Open University. On this occasion, I will explain or describe little about my family. I have grandfather and grandmother from my father and my mother. My grandfather and grandmother from my father died a long time ago. My grandfather from my mother died about 7 or 8 years ago, while my grandmother died about 6 or 7 years ago. Meanwhile, my maternal grandmother is still alive. She is around 70 years old. But my grandfather died a long time ago, before I was born. My mother was born on December 1st, 1985. So now my mother is approaching 40 years old. My mother worked as a cleaner at Haji Bahtiar Jafar Hospital. My mother's hobby is watching movies, cooking, and especially shopping. And my mother also friendly, kindly, and beautiful. My father was born on May 20, 1982. So now my father is approaching 43 years old. My father worked as a laborer at Ujung Baru, Belawan. My father's hobby is watching movies, playing game, and he is so very handsome.
Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
And I have also one younger sister and one younger brother. My younger sister was born on August 8, 2008. She is currently in senior high school at Muhammadiyah 04 Belawan. And her hobby is singing, watching movies, and cooking. And my younger brother was born on July 18, 2012. He is currently in junior high school at Muhammadiyah 06 Belawan. And his hobby is playing football, playing game, and watching movies. I have two aunties and one uncle. My first auntie named Mai Salma. My auntie was born on May 5th, 1977. She is a teacher who teaches in kindergarten. Her hobby is playing handphone and shopping. My second auntie named Siti Fatima. My auntie was born on July 17, 1978. She is a housewife. Her hobby is playing handphone and shopping. And my uncle was born on July 5th, 1980. My uncle worked as a repairman, and he is also a driver. Okay, that's all my aunties and my uncle from my father, and now my auntie from my mother. I have one auntie from my mother. My auntie's name Rosida Rambi. My auntie was born on April 4th, 1977. She is work at Malaysia, and her hobby is watching movies and shopping. And I also have one older cousin and two younger cousins from my father named Nurul Rizka Amelia, my older cousin. Firza Gali, my younger cousin. Fadil Ahmad, my younger cousin. My older cousin's name, Nurul Rizka Amelia, was born on October 13, 2002. And now she is almost 23 years old. She also worked as a cashier at Indomaret. My younger cousin named Firzagali was born on April 30, 2008 and is now 17 years old. He's still second grade in senior high school student at Hang Tuah School. And last, my younger cousin from my father named Fadil Ahmad was born on December 22nd, 2020. And now he is almost 5 years old. But he still hasn't gone to school. Well guys, now I will describe my younger cousin from my mother. I have two younger cousins from my mother. My first younger cousin named Anggi Dwi Anjani. She was born on October 1st, 2006 and now she is almost 19 years old. And she has just finished her education in senior high school level. My second younger cousin named Nadira Tri Irawan. She was born on August 11, 2015 and now she is almost 10 years old. She is currently in 4th grade of elementary school. Well guys, I apologize if there are any errors in the use of the word or the arrangement of sentences while I am presenting about my family. And see you guys on the next video.